Okay guys, now this experiment we are going to do inflating a balloon in another way. So first you need 2 bottles full with water. You need some baking soda, and you need some vinegar, and you need some food coloring, and 2 balloons. So first you put the baking soda in the balloon, but I already did that. Then you put the food coloring before you put the vinegar. Here, drop, drop. And then we put the other one, which is orange, in here. Drop, drop. The vinegar. You pour it 2 drops, you pour 2 drops, or 3. Okay guys, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What? Whoa. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh no! It's done. It's done. You. Ugh. What? It's like a big blue potato.
Inflating balloon with baking soda and vinegar. The science behind it. When the baking soda and vinegar mix, you get an acid base. The base and acid react with each other. They partially break apart and form different substances. This is called neutralization because the end is neither a base nor an acid. In this case, you get water, salt, and carbon dioxide. The CO2 expands the bottle and balloon, causing the latter to expand. As CO2 is heavier than the surrounding air, the balloon sinks.
Okay guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and turn the notifications bell. See you. Don't stop being curious. Bye. Bye bye.